Promoting Go High Level with AI really isn't that hard, especially if you have the AI tools that I'm going to showcase in this video. So to start, we're going to start with newsletters. So when you're promoting Go High Level, when you're promoting something like this, like an affiliate program, you're going to want to send emails. You're going to want to collect people's contact information, which is going to be their email address. And exactly how to get leads and collect people's email addresses is simply through creating content like this, long form videos, short form videos, whatever it is you're trying to do. Just create videos and collect contact information. So I'm going to show you how. First, you want to create videos, for example, like this one. I'll pick my most performing one because the latest videos have been a little eh. And then, for example, this, you're going to want to have comment automations. So for comment automations, I have someone comment a word such as replace. Then I'm going to automatically, well, it's going to be a bot. It's going to reply, send a gift to your DMs, or it's going to reply something else. There's different variations of this. Check your DMs. Did you get it? And to do this, I use Go High Level. So I'm going to show you right now how to actually create this in your account. So click on automation. I have different ones like that, social media. And this is the exact one that I used. And I've already had, as you can see, thousands of people in this workflow already. And so I've collected a lot of information. So as soon as they comment the word replace, they're gonna, oh, not this one actually. That one's DM, because I got so many people who have messages turned off and didn't get it, so they tried to DM me. But if I search up here, replace call video, here you go, thousands. Okay, so let's say someone comments the word replace on my video. Then I'm going to respond to the comment with the variations, and then it's going to reply to their comment via DM, and it's going to send something like this, which is what I made it. This is the software you're looking for. I'm giving you an entire month free, and then a button which you're going to add down here, and it goes straight to my affiliate link, which honestly I could change to something else, such as my course, such as my landing page right here, which actually I will do right now. To be honest, that would be probably much better. I change it every once in a while because it's still getting traction, like every minute or so I'm getting comments on that. So that's one way you can do it. And once they sign up to Go High Level, of course you get their email information on there, or you can send them to your newsletter, something like this, where you collect emails here, or maybe a free lead magnet. So it would be something like this. I have beacons. I have my SaaS blueprint, which is just a text guide on how to use Go High Level as for SaaS, and I have free pitch scripts. And every time someone signs up to this, I'm getting their email address, I'm getting their name, and that goes straight to my database in Go High Level. So let's write it down here. Once you collect that contact info, collect using AI bot. So once you collect their contact info using the AI bot, you're going to want to use that info and actually promote to them, because they can't just give you their contact info and you don't do anything with it. You have to do something with it. So what you're going to do is actually send newsletters, which is the way I've been finding some good success with this too. And to do this, I use Beehive. This is what I use to send emails. I used to use Go High Level, but honestly, I think something that's actually specifically made for newsletters is much better. But Go High Level is pretty much better for everything else. So I'm going to use Beehive for this. And as you can see, you might as well join my newsletter. I have over 700 subscribers. I only started this, what was it, August 24th? It's only September. It's only been 2 months. Actually, 1 month. What am I saying? It's been 1 month. And I already have 700, which is pretty insane. So I'm going to send emails to them. And to do that, you're going to use tools like ChatGPT. You're going to use tools like Claude AI, which is extremely good. And I'm going to show you both of these. So let's say you want to write an email script. You can just simply ask ChatGPT. It doesn't have to be like this. It can be more specific. But you're just going to ask ChatGPT, write me an email about Go High Level and all the features it has, and my limited time offer for a snapshot. If you just write something like this, it's going to write you a whole entire email. Gives you the subject line. It's going to give you the whole body, which is pretty insane. Look at that. It's just writing right now. It's just writing absolutely everything. And obviously, you can tell it to change things up. You're probably not going to send a whole entire list like this, but you can just tell it what to send. Okay, it's getting a bit too long. But you get the point. You can make it short, long. You can just tell ChatGPT what you want. And the best part is it literally saves your conversations, as you can see here. So the more you talk to it, the better it's gonna get at tailoring everything, tailoring the email, tailoring the wording to what you actually want. So you can do the same thing in Claude, which is what I find better for writing, especially with emails. This is what I've been using. And let's just paste the same thing in here. Claude is way better. It's going to give you everything. So before it wants to write an email for me, Claude actually wants to know more specifics. So just overall, Claude is way better. I'd say definitely use this one. I'm gonna link it below in the description, and so you can try this out. And actually, if you want just a whole AI tool sheet full of AI tools that you can use to help promote Go High Level, you can actually check out my Google sheet, Best AI Tools that you can promote today, and you can actually make money promoting these as an affiliate. Plus, you can use these for yourself. You can use Notion to help you with project management, Miro for visual ideas, visual planning, which is what I use, Beehive, of course, which is what I just showed you, and there's a bunch of other tools that you can use as well. So the next thing you can do is actually use Buffer, or more specifically, Opus Clips, to help you clip long form content and turn it into short form content. So for example, this video right now, you can actually turn into short form clips like I do right here. And as you can see, I post these once or twice, or sorry, 2 times a day actually. And I do this on multiple accounts, which I'm going to leave for another video because that is where it gets extremely juicy. But this is how I've been promoting Go High Level pretty much. And it's how I've been getting a bunch of clicks. As you saw in the beginning, I've got thousands of clicks using this content strategy, which I have in another video actually. But this is the way I've been promoting Go High Level. I send people to this link essentially, or to my actual affiliate link, and they either watch, gain more value, then sign up with me, or they join the community, which you can also join, which is right here. And I've been giving a bunch of value here too. As you can see, there's already people that followed me that are already in here. We actually had someone new just join right now, and he's first 100. Let me give him that tag. And yeah, so there's a bunch of ways you can learn about Go High Level, and I'm helping you actually learn about it. So I definitely recommend you try it out. There's 30 days free, which you can try right now, and I recommend you actually do because I'm going to give you free weekly calls, with which I'm doing with all of the people that sign up with me, and I'm also going to give you free snapshots, free funnels, free websites, free automations, all of that stuff. But I'm going to help you throughout the way, every single step of the way. So definitely try it out, and this is how you can actually promote Go High Level with content, and you don't even need to use your face, and you can just use tools like the ones that are in here. So there's many ways you can actually market Go High Level with content, but this is just one of them. You can use newsletters, you can use content, you can do a bunch of things. So hopefully this video is valuable. You can sign up with Go High Level in the description below, and I'll actually have a one-on-one call with you. But anyway, hopefully this video is valuable. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.